Hey people watching this in the future, my name is Marissa and thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to turn a thrifted dress into a super cute two-piece set. So let's get started. We have got the dress, okay? This dress, I love the fabric, it's stretchy, have not dealt with stretchy fabric before, so we're gonna see how that goes. But we got the dress. This is the front. She's a deep V. I'll insert a video of me wearing it somewhere so that you can see what it looks like right now. It's nice and long. We got a bunch of fabric to work with. So the first thing we're gonna start on is the skirt, because I already know what I want her to look like. And I want to base it off of this wrap skirt that I have. I think it's from Hollister. Oh, no, it's from Aerie. It's like all flowy and it has these ties. They go around in the front. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that. Okay, I've realized that we probably need to cut the dress a little bit so we have fabric. Good thing about this dress is that we have a lot of layers of fabric. So instead of just having one layer all the way around, there is another layer in the front of the same fabric. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off so we just have one long rectangle of fabric so that we can go ahead and cut out the skirt. Okay, now we have a whole bunch of fabric. Yay! So let's go ahead and lay the skirt over it and see what we can do. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie to you here. I was feeling slightly uninspired or a little creative block in what we were gonna do with this outfit because I thought the skirt wasn't really looking cute, and then the top, I did open it up and I was wearing it, you know, trying it on kind of like this, and it was just giving best and it was not looking cute, guys. So here's what we did. You know what? We turned it around. Literally and figuratively. So if we put it like this, now you gotta see the vision, and then you tie it in the back, then you're looking snatched and it's interesting. So I think we're gonna do something with it being flipped this way. And then I was trying on the skirt a bunch of different ways, and I think I found where I would like to pin the side. So I put a little tiny pin on here, and this is kind of what it looks like right now. So it's gonna be a little high-low moment. So let's go ahead and finish off these edges on the top and the bottom, also the sides, so all the edges here, and then see what we wanna do from there. Here I'm finishing off the hem, and even though we are using a stretchy fabric, I'm still using a straight stitch here because the hem doesn't really need to be stretchy, it's more flowy. I am loving the skirt, guys. Look, so flowy. Here's the back. So now, and there is a slit here, but I think it's okay because we've got quite a bit of fabric going on. Now let's do the top. Let's go ahead and pin at least a little bit where I want it here. So this is what we're working with so far. And then I'm gonna take my pin. I think I want it to end about, oh, got it, about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin that, and let's sew the bottom. Now I'm going ahead and cutting off the excess fabric from where we sewed, and I'm also going ahead and clipping off any little threads from the sewing machine and just cleaning everything up. I'm also going to be folding over the ends from the back of the dress where the tie is, and we'll just finish those with some pins, just putting that in place, and then going ahead and running it through the sewing machine one more time just to finish up the end, and then we'll be all done. Okay guys, and we are done. Check it out. I actually made this a thrift flip so that you can wear it 2 different ways. So this is the first way here. This is kind of what we were talking about throughout the video of me wearing the shirt kind of backwards and then tying it in the back here. But we can actually wear it an entirely different way, which is the tie in the front, and that's what I am showing you here. I would love to hear what you guys think and which style you all prefer, so drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!